Assalamu alaikum, 9th class. Now we will start our bio lecture and our first chapter is Introduction to Biology, means biology का तारुफ. Today we will discuss about some defines. Okay, our first define is science. Our first define is science. Basically, what is science? Science is a study in which observations are made, experiments are done and logical conclusions are drawn. ओके साइंस एक ऐसा मुताला है जिसमें मुशाहिदात किए जाते हैं, उन मुशाहिदात की बुनियाद पर तजर्बात किए जाते हैं और उनसे जो है वो मंतकी नताइज अक्स किए जाते हैं. ओके उनसे जो है वो नताइज जो है वो लॉजिकल कंक्लूजन जो है उनको ड्रॉन किया जाता है. आवर नेक्स्ट डिफाइन इज़ व्हाट इज़ बायोलॉजी. आवर नेक्स्ट डिफाइन इज़ व्हाट इज़ biology. Word biology is derived from two Greek words. Is derived from two Greek words. First is bios and second is logos or logy. Bio means life, logos means thought or reasoning. Okay, bio means life, logos means thought or reasoning, means in which we study what is life and why is life. मीन्स बायोलॉजी वो ब्रांच है जिसमें हम ये स्टडी करते हैं कि ज़िंदगी क्या है या ज़िंदगी क्यों है. एंड सम साइंटिस्ट थिंक दैट बायो इज़ नॉट कंप्लीट स्टडी ऑफ लाइफ. बायो इज़ नॉट कंप्लीट स्टडी ऑफ लाइफ बिकॉज बेसिकली बायो इज़ स्टडी ऑफ लाइफ, लिविंग थिंग्स. देन वाई वी स्टडी नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स लाइक वाटर इन बायो. कुछ साइंसदान का कहना है कि बायो जो है वो लाइफ की कंप्लीट स्टडी नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि बायो में जो बेसिकली है वो लाइफ, लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म जो है, लिविंग थिंग्स का जो है वो स्टडी है. तो हम इसमें नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स लाइक वाटर उनकी स्टडी क्यों करते हैं? एंड इट्स आंसर इज बिकॉज बायो इज़ रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. बिकॉज बायो इज़ बेसिकली रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. Now come to our next topic, that is branches of biology. That is branches of biology. Our first define is zoology. Our first define is zoology. Word zoo means animal and logy or logos means study. Word logy or logo means study, means the branch of bio in which we study about animals. In which we study about animals, their structures, like their body structure. And our next define is botany. What is botany? Botany is study of plants. Botany is basically study of plants, जिसमें पौधों का मुताला किया जाता है, like their mode of nutrition, how they get their food or their relationship with environment. Okay, botany is basically study of plants. Our next third term is microbiology. Our next third term is microbiology. Micro means small, bio means life, logy or logos means study, means study of small life, study of small microorganism. Microorganism which cannot be seen by naked eye, जिनको हम आम आँख से नहीं देख सकते, like bacteria. So basically microbiology is study of small life like small organism like bacteria which cannot be seen by naked eye. Our next term is morphology. Our next term is morphology. Word morph means shape or structure. Word morph means shape or structure and logy means study. And logy means study, means the branch in which we study shape or structure about living things, living organisms. Morphology is basically study of shape or structure of living organism. Our next term is anatomy. What is anatomy? Study of internal structure of living organism. Study of internal structure of living organism. Word ana means up. Word ana means up, and word Tommy is derived from word tom. And Tommy is derived from word tom means cutting. It's mean by cutting or by dissecting by upper layers of living organism, we can study its internal structures. We can study its internal structure. So anatomy is basically study of internal structure of living organism, in which we dissect or by cutting their upper layers we study about their structures. Okay, these are some define some branches of bio. So learn these terms orally. Thank you, 9th class.